Hi there, students. Elbow room. Yeah, elbow room. Okay, this is a semi-informal way of saying space to move around, space to work. Don't crowd around me, give me some elbow room. Yeah, if you need elbow room, you need some extra space. That room is too small for the meeting because there are going to be lots of people. There'll be no elbow room. Okay, so if somewhere is full of people or the space is very restricted, then there is no elbow room. My new flat is terribly small. There isn't room to swing a cat. There's another idiom for you. There's no elbow room. Okay, so space. We can also use this metaphorically, talking about freedom to act, the ability to do what you want. So the government obtained a large majority in the parliament, and that gave them much more elbow room. They had more space to maneuver. They had more possibility to implement the policies that they wanted to. If you think about public transport during the rush hour, there's no elbow room. You can't put your elbows out. Yeah, you've got to keep your arms in. So elbow room, space, or freedom to act. When I teach, I like to have elbow room to teach how I want. I also like to have elbow room to move about, but for me it's important to have elbow room to teach using the method that I wish. Okay, so elbow room, formality. This is neutral, informal. It's great for an informal conversation or a neutral conversation, but I wouldn't use this in a formal framework, in a formal setting. I think I would say room to maneuver, space to maneuver, or just space. Okay? So, elbow room. Enough space to move around to do what you need. This kitchen's too small. There's no elbow room to work. Or the freedom to do what you want. So his boss gave him more freedom to act. He gave him more elbow room. Okay, so room for your elbows. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Elbow room.